Yes, I'm back again with another video. I'm back again with another news or information. According to current news, according to current affairs, I'm back again seated or coming from the city of Bulawayo, Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city in Zimbabwe. Right. The a group of people by the name child rights advocates, or social welfare experts, social welfare professionals, or social development or professionals, and they are telling me that the family system in Bulawayo, family system among developed people, is crumbling down. The family system or the community system is crumbling that down. This is because they saw a lot of children coming from suburbs, coming from suburban areas, coming from residential areas, and they're going forcing themselves on the streets, and they're doing nothing on those streets. They are coming to live on the streets, they are coming to domicile themselves on the streets, and they are doing nothing. They are coming from residential areas around Bulawayo. They come from even suburban areas to come and stay in Bulawayo. So these child rights advocates, these social welfare professionals, social workers, these social welfare experts, they are telling me that the family system among developed people, the community system among developed people is crumbling down under a lot of social, economic pressures. There are reports of domestic violence. There are reports of domestic abuse. There are reports of domestic neglect or negligence. There are reports of domestic breakdown of the Ndebele family system, of the Ndebele community system as a whole. Because they're asking one big question like, why are children, these babies, these kids, why are they leaving their homes or being forced out of their homes, and they come and stay on the streets? They come and live on the streets. They come and domicile themselves on the streets. What's happening? So this is the issue that is boiling up in Bulawayo, boiling up among developed people in Bulawayo. I'm saying developed people because I never heard that these things happening among Shona people. According to the news or information that I have, categorically speaking, it's happening within developed people. This is what I heard. So I'm not being tribalistic, no, but I'm just uh, taking the bull by the horns. I'm just calling white as white and calling black as black and calling gold as gold, calling diamond as diamond. It's happening among developed people, developed children, developed kids, developed babies coming to stay on the streets. This is a very grave and big concern that is happening right now in Matebelen province, either south or north, but particularly this hot and boiling up in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. Develop family system, develop community system is breaking down, is crumbling under social economic pressures. And social warfare experts, social warfare professionals, they are busy investigating, they are busy assessing, examining what's happening, what are the root causes of children, of kids, develop children to leave their homes in residential areas like Mpopoma, Makokoba, Luveve, Njube, Ngulumane, to leave their family houses, or family households, and they come and stay on the streets. They come and live on the streets. What's happening? So they ask this big question. You understand? And now this has attracted the attention. This has drawn the attention of community-based welfare organizations, social worker organizations, local non-governmental organizations, to, to find a holistic approach in order to solve this issue, to find emergency interventions in order to solve this issue, to look for immediate and coordinated approaches, immediate and coordinated pathways in order to resolve or solve this issue that is unfolding in Bulawayo. Why are the families breaking up? Family system, why is it breaking up? Communities in Bulawayo, in Ndebele community, Ndebele uh, neighborhoods, Why are the communities breaking up? So Ndebele community system, Ndebele family system, why is it breaking up? What are the answers to this issue? So they are busy investigating, they are busy narrating, they are busy working on this issue as I talk to you. Local government organizations, community-based warfare organizations, social workers, social development experts, social development professionals, social welfare experts, even professionals in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, they're working on this matter. They are busy investigating, looking into all these affairs. Like, why are the children leaving their homes to cut and stay on the streets every day, every time? What's happening to parental issues? What's happening to parents? What are parents doing about this issue? What are the guidance of these children doing about this issue? You understand? Is it the issue of poverty? Is it the issue of social, economic conditions that are worsening every day in this country, Zimbabwe? Is it an issue of parental incapacity whereby the parents cannot afford to look after their children? So is it an issue of parental incapacity? Like the way I've explained, like this is a situation whereby parents are not able to cater or to look after their children, no matter the number of the children under their home, under their family household. They cannot to look after them. They cannot cater to look after them. So it's called a parental incapacity. So is it the issue of domestic violence or domestic abuse or substance abuse or drug abuse or some other social issues or some other financial or economic issues? Children coming to stay on the streets. And now this has caught the attention of welfare organizations, welfare professionals, social development experts, local government organizations in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town to look into this matter first by investigating, examining, researching everything around this issue. Then they look for solutions, coming up with a holistic approach, coming up with emergency interventions to resolve this issue, or developing immediate and coordinated approaches, immediate and coordinated strategies to resolve this matter. But the family system, the community system among developed people in that Matebele region, Matebele province, there are signs, a potent and potential sign that it is crumbling up. You understand? So this is my video right now. Any comments, please drop in the comments box. What's happening to develop community system, develop family system? What's happening? What is boiling up? What's popping up? Why are children coming on the streets in Bulawayo? I'm done talking. See you on the next video. Sharp.